lot of memories.
On this way, okay? I've been 45 years, so that's awesome. And
well, that's what I was raised in. My dad told me, yeah, the flags are really cool. That's how you know it's a race car. Yeah, it was.
Look at that!
Those are some cool seats in here too.
Yellow one!
Come around the front. That's the little tight back there.
Now let's see a yellow one from the front.
Let's go.
I wonder what it looks like there.
you've got enthusiasm. I love it.
As it should be, by the way.
Parking spot is.